Today, we're going to be truly exposing Sci Trades or Trades by Sci. And we're going to be examining this video. This year, I will turn $1,000 into $1 million as a day trader. Now, if you have not seen this channel, this is a very popular YouTube channel about Forex trading, lifestyle, sharing off the jewelry, sharing off the lifestyle of Sci. He is a very popular channel because he gets a ton of views and he gets a ton of clout. He gets a ton of everything when it comes to trading and money. And he flaunts off the money constantly. But we're going to dive deep into this video, guys, and explain something. Actually, I will explain something that is being missed that many people are not seeing. And then on my next stream right after this, I'm going to share some important information and how he's connected to another influencer. Let's get into it, guys. So first off, we're going to start off with the beginning of the video. And remember, guys, we are live. So if any questions or comments, let me know. Let's dive into this right now. Let's go full screen.
Sitting at this table for one.
Woo, we can't play that music, though. Skip that.
Long. Today we'll start the $1,000 challenge to $1 million. I don't know how long this challenge is gonna last. I know it could be a couple weeks, it could be a couple months. It could be done in a few days.
Now, off the bat, he talks about starting a $1,000 challenge from 1,000 into $1 million. Now, he's talking about his strategy and how he's going to be able to do it. And the question that we're going to be, wondering, is any of this going to be live? Is this going to be on a legit broker? Is this going to be, with the P&Ls being shown? Live trading would be would be very nice to show off this whole flip. It may take him a few days to a few months, but this to me is off the bat beginning the sales process. And I'm going to explain why after we're going through part of this video.
Who knows? But I will be documenting this $1,000 challenge all the way to $1 million, step by step. None of that fake bullshit that you be seeing online. I'll be
Stop the cap.
We got some interesting claims. He's not going to be doing all the BS, kind of like the FXG or the Mamba FX route. But I'm going to tell you guys, I'm only going to explain it not in so much detail. There's another stream after this. I'm going to be combining two other influential characters, him and another, and what they're actually doing. And we'll see in this video what he's talking about more.
Documenting the whole process, showing you exactly what I do, that you can, repeat the process and try to do the same. I know there's going to be a lot of people, a lot of beginners that need to see this, because I know a lot of people that have been trading for years and years. And
think about it. Beginners need to see this from going from 1,000 into $1 million. I hope there's nothing below to click. Think about it. If there was nothing to sell, he's going to share it live. It'll be evidence of him doing it with the P&L. Cool. Maybe that's a whole lot better. But then we already see the setup being brought up to us, but we're going to wait till he brings out some videos about this. Maybe he's going to live stream it, maybe not. I have no idea. But I already see what's happening, and I already see what's linked below.
And they don't know how to scale up. They don't know what to do when it comes to scaling up and getting to those bigger numbers. But this is why I'm going to make this video. I've never done anything like this before. So
he has never done anything like this before. But it's very interesting by the Guru playlist, by the Guru algorithm. They're all doing the same thing. So they already know what the setup is because it worked in the past and it's going to work again. Even if I don't want it to work, even if I'm trying my best to expose these supposed or allegedly,
that's ignorant.
Allegedly scam artists, we have to break their actions down because they're all doing the same thing and they're not even showing the P&L or the live trading. We got some people coming to the stream. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much.
And welcome to the stream.
Welcome.
It's going to be different. So let's see how everything goes. With that being said, I'm going to play a couple clips of how I'm going to achieve getting to that level, what my mindset is right now currently, and also there's going to be another video after that explaining just a tad bit about the way that I trade. Super simple, nothing crazy. I'm not going to
super simple, from 1,000 to $1 million.
Stop the cap.
We're going to see it live, right?
Stop the cap.
It's all going to be P&L. We're going to see everything. It's going to be legit, right?
Screw you guys. I'm going home.
make this video long. Just comment down below if you're in and I'll send you a link to the Discord, and we'll all be together with trading from $1,000 to $1 million.
And this is why I love this type of information, because guess what? I'm already trying to get into his group, not with my personal, Discord. They all see my face, and I know he knows me because I talked to him on Discord already. So I'm not going to be using that. I got a couple other fake Discord accounts. I'll be pitching to him. He's not going to know it's me because guess what? He's going to have to filter through everybody getting into it. If he's going to filter through all of them. Oh, Almighty on the same shit as Alex G doing. Bro, on the next stream, I got some dynamite information for you guys. This one is specifically about Sci Trades. Yesterday was about Mamba FX. I got something to share with you guys that I see what the setup is, and it's going to be pretty explosive. So let's get into the rest of this video.
So let's get it. YouTube, I hope you're ready because the vlogs that we have coming, it's going to be insane, bro. It's going
Scamming everybody now.
to be insane. I think one of my main focuses.
Woo! We are on TradingView. You know TradingView is all about real trading, right?
Hey!
Huh?
Shut up!
That's what he's going to be saying. It's all real trading, right?
This challenge is going to begin is focusing more on higher time frame quality setups. I think, avoiding all the noise in the beginning is very, very key. Just so, like I said, those momentum trades, those first 5 trades, we definitely need the momentum to be on our side. So we can't be taking any dumb trades in the beginning because
We are gonna be rich!
No dumb trades. Dr. Dollar scammed me with this 7-day boot camp low key. I got a lot of people to expose. I will put them on the list. I will get to them. I got this big one I've been working on for the last couple days. I've been doing a bunch of research on it. So I'll be exposing that on the next stream in about 30 minutes. I just got to get the thumbnail out, guys. You'll see. Okay?
because that's gonna have our mind thinking that same way throughout the whole challenge. So we got to be on a good roll, a good start by taking high quality, higher time frame trades.
Stop the cap.
And then once we start scaling up and building up, we'll be able to, you know, take these small trades, take fast trades, riskier trades, whatever the case might be. But in the beginning, it's definitely about building foundation when it comes.
Oh my God.
One eternity later.
No, I use my my server out there, and my server for my VPN. So if you guys actually see my computer, you'll see that my trades and all my stuff, I can't do it in the United States because we all know certain brokers in the United States don't allow you to trade. So I have to use it with a VPN.
Comes to starting off with $1,000. So when it comes to starting off at $1,000, you got to be very, very careful when it comes to this because in this space, you need to build that structure. Once again, like I said.
Is this live trading or is this just TradingView? What do you guys think?
I think what I'm gonna do here also as well is try to go for 1 to 3s.
All these gurus are just yapping, right?
Meanwhile,
It's gonna be my main target, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratios. So for new people, what this basically means is I'm gonna risk a certain amount, and then times 3 will be the reward, and 1 will be the loss. So let's say I have $1,000 and I want to risk $100 per trade. This is normally what I would do. I do a 10% risk on any account size that I have. I do
10% risk? Like when I started listening to like professionals, how they risk like a half of a percentage per trade or even less than that. And this guy's talking about risking 10%. Man, I can't wait to see that live P&L.
10% risk.
Stop the cap.
Doing $100 times 3 will be $300 per trade that I win. So if I win a trade, we win $300 depending on.
I mean, this is good in theory, but man, seeing it live would be very helpful.
If it stops at a 1 to 3. Now price can go and give us a it can give us a 1 to 6, 1 to 8, and then we would scale up from there. But most I would try to shoot for is a 1 to 3, try to end the day off. And then I'm going to try to make this a little bit fun. I'm gonna try to
Make it fun? Really?
Allegedly, that's ignorant.
Oh man, I would love for it to be fun, but
That is one big pile of shit.
so far that's what we're dealing with. Because if we're just on TradingView, I mean, this could be video 10 of whatever he's been making. Because we're talking about he's duplicating the same video, but he's telling us how he's gonna do it. Sure, Okay.
To make this where I am day trading, trying to turn my day trades into swing trades. Normally, this is what I do, but I think I should be able to document and show exactly how I do it step by
Stop the
step,
cap.
which will be the biggest thing for me.
Stop the cap.
$1,000 account, $100 risk, $300 reward if it's a one.
Each time?
Enough! Silence! I can't take this shit no more.
Let's see.
If we get more, that's great, but we're looking for that 1 to 3.
Okay.
And then let's try to first make our way to 2,000. I think 2,000 is a really good
So
start.
going from 1,000 to 2,000 is a great feat. It's 100%. Okay. Let's see.
For this month, let's try to focus on $2,000 for this month. Try to get to here. Most people would try to.
I mean, if his goal for this month is to double up, and if you're talking about doubling up every 15 days, so it takes 7.2 times to double up to, do 8 times to a million, just about. So he should have his million maybe by August, or even before August, maybe by July. If he's talking about doubling up like this, and I started thinking about it. Like, if you're doubling up so often and it's so easy from going from 1,000 to a million, why have a link below to click that we haven't even talked about yet?
Overdo it, but I'm trying to think small right now. Trying to think small, and trying to keep the goals simple. If I
Stop
can
the
keep
cap.
the goals simple, everything will be okay. Most people.
Oh, and for the people who make the stream,
Thank you very much.
and welcome.
Welcome.
They get ahead of themselves. They start thinking about, oh, let me turn 1,000 to 10,000 this month, and then they don't hit it, and then they get super stressed out. So that's not what we want to do here. We want to keep a calm, cool head about how we're going about things. I'm going to be trading NASDAQ. So the thing that I like to trade the most, something that I know.
I get the glasses basically from Facebook Market. It's this company called, actually, I forgot the name of the company, but I'll write it on my to-do list and I'll put it into the next stream. Okay, because I'll be streaming like 10 minutes right after this one. I got to show you some damning information. I figured out what these fake gurus are doing I'll tell you in the next stream, guys.
I'm good at something I know that has volume. I'll be trading the NASDAQ market. What are other things that I can put in perspective? Higher time frame trades.
Okay. Higher time frame trades. He's breaking it down. This is like the Dapo Willis of like explaining.
Now, this doesn't mean that I'm taking entries off the 1 hour. This only means that I'm looking at the higher time frames, scoping the scenery out, like how we're on the 4 hour.
We got a good question. Mill says, "Why isn't the price moving?" Because it's after hours, and since the market's not moving, none of this is real. It's just him talking again. Because remember, he's gonna make us all rich, right?
We are gonna be rich.
But
Clean. I'll never lie again. Honest, I won't.
we see
Right
it
now,
already.
We have this 4 hour making this level of support. This will obviously be a bad time to just sell price unless I get extra confirmation by price breaking under this 4 hour level of support and then showing me that it wants to go further down. So things like that, just taking this into consideration when it comes to trading in general, is, taking that consideration into higher time frame, scaling down, and then taking your trade based off that.
I mean, I really have to understand, like, if he takes 10% losses on each trade, you really have to think, how many times does it take for him to get back to his account, back to normal? Because 10% down, now he's down 90%. If he makes 10% again, he has to make more than that, like 12 to 15% more, just to make back his $1,000 he initially started off with. Like, I don't think I don't think the audience is really asking, like, how many times you have to mess up? Because your first couple mess ups, you take two or three trades that are bad, you're going to be, let's see. That's why, to me, he needs to do this live.
Another thing that we got to keep in mind is trade during the high volume times. So
okay, we got a couple comments coming in, guys. He's going to fake his 1 million so he can get hella signups like Alex G did, so he can get more bootcamp signups. Man, oh man, I cannot wait for the next stream. Next stream, because this video has to be made first, because yesterday's video was made for a purpose with Mamba FX. Today's video is made with a purpose, and the next stream's purpose is going to break down exactly what's going on.
Trade during the high volume times for NASDAQ, that's going to be 9 to 12.
Okay.
So 9 to 12 a.m.
Let's run this a little bit faster.
We want to keep ourselves trading around these times. This is going to be the best bet for making our trades scale out. Now we can hold trades past this time. Actually, it's really 11, but we can keep that 12. And I'm gonna throw in one more thing too, is we got to study the news as well. So studying.
If this is his entire strategy from going from 1,000 to 1,000,000, why aren't so many other traders more profitable? Why aren't many people saying, oh, I went from X amount to 1,000,000? This is such a simple strategy, right? Risking 10% of your account each trade.
Stop the cap.
Well,
allegedly, that's ignorant.
Market and economy. Now this is going to be something new for me, something to, you know, put into my arsenal, but
new? Wait. Did he just say something? No, wait. Let's rewind it back a few seconds.
Thing to, you know, put into my arsenal, but normally I don't. Now this is going to be something new for me, something to, you know,
wait.
Stop the cap.
You're telling me that your millions of dollars or the big, all the stuff that you traded is something you just added new? You're adding something new to go from 1,000 to 1,000,000, and you haven't even done that? You haven't added news to your trading at all?
Put into my arsenal, but normally I don't use the news in any of my trades. I don't use the fundamentals of, the fundamentals of trading, because I look at it as price action. If price is breaking more highs, then it's going higher. If price is breaking more lows, then I go based off that. So normally that's what I do, but this time around, this year, we're going to do something new. We're going to take news in consideration, and we're going to go based off of that and make sure that it
So you made it to all this point and never considered the news ever. You know what? Let me look at his channel. Let's see. Maybe he has. Let's just look at this. I didn't even want to talk about this video here. Three simple steps to make $1,000 a day in Forex trading. Completely gonna skip that, guys. I can't handle that level of scam.
Scamming everybody now.
Because I mean, if you're making $1,000 a day, man, at least show us.
You are a scammer.
Let's see. Millionaire making $110,000 in day trading, doing this, fast money. Let's see. Any beginner's guide. IC markets, entry, optimal trading performance, higher time frame price action. Okay. Let's see if he talks about this. ICC concepts, improving entries, Forex traders, 20-year-old support and resistance. I don't see him talk about the news at all, but if he's talking about higher time frames over here, he might get into that, which I might actually cover in this video. Because if he's talking about higher time frames, then he has to get into the news or economics and stuff like that.
Aligns with how we see the market. I think this will be pretty interesting due to the fact that a lot of people do ask me, do I pay attention to news? And I told them no every single time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start studying this a little bit more and understanding how the market is actually moving. All right, so at the time,
woo! We got the BS now. We got it in. Yes, finally. I was waiting for that.
Screw you guys. I'm going home.
The BS is here, guys. Now we got to the juicy part of the video, the thing that I was telling you about. This is part 1 of part 2 that's going to be happening in a few minutes. This is part 1, okay? Watch the BS in front of you, okay? This is all fugazi. It's not real, okay? None of it.
Stop the cap.
That is all fake, okay? I'm going to prove it to you on the next stream, but we need to break down sideways trades, and I know the setup now. Woo.
the time of making this video, I lost 2 SD cards, and I know. The vlogs are gone for today. I'm gonna have to pick up on the next episode, but to make it up to you, I'm gonna go over some things once again.
The vlogs. And why is he showing liquid charts? I just talked about this yesterday with Mamba, right? Mamba! Remember that scam artist who's live trading on a broker that has a, is that license active? Not at all. He's using the same broker. We're going to dive into it on the next stream, guys, man. I can't wait to break this clown down.
And about the way that I trade, the broker that I use, this is going to be Liquid Brokers. is ran by Sway. Pretty much, y'all already know Sway. If you don't, Sway is one of the best brokers you can ever imagine. Ever since I got scammed a couple years ago or 2 years ago.
Ever since I got scammed, what do you think is gonna happen to you?
You are a scammer.
Scamming everybody now.
Woo, man! I can't wait to connect the dots to show you guys what I've been formulating in the background so you guys can bring it to the front to show these clowns what's happening. Because we got our favorite clown clip for this guy.
I'm a clown.
Man, I'm sorry, that's a little bit loud on there. Let me cut that volume down. But we got our clown town happening right here.
From two of the
Ooh, Corey Corbin. Bro, what is Liquid Chart? It's a scam, bro.
biggest brokers, I'm not going to say, but
check out my last stream with Mamba. I broke it down in detail exactly what they're doing, and I'm going to be breaking down onto another level. So level 1, breaking it down when it comes to the base of the pyramid, was Mamba FX. Level 2 to the pyramid was Trades by Sci, or Sci, whatever you put his name as. Layer 3 on the top of the pyramid. I'm going to show you exactly what's happening and how I can connect those clowns together.
The biggest brokers. I switched this way last year and haven't had a problem since. But with this being said, I started with my $1,000 account. We're going to be looking into NASDAQ only. So like how I was talking.
Woo! Why did he show that screen? I'm so happy he brought up that screen because, man, it's going to be alert. Don't miss out, man. Let me see.
More earlier, NASDAQ only. And the way that I trade, guys, if you haven't learned already, the way that I trade is super simple. If price is breaking more highs, then I'm looking for price to continue to buy up. And if price is breaking more support levels, or if it's breaking more lows, then I'm looking to sell price. Currently, we have, we are looking at SPX, but currently we have NASDAQ prices looking at this level here. Normally when I'm trading and I'm marking up my charts, I normally mark up the body closes. And the reason why I mark up body closes is because I feel like price is telling us like, hey, at this price point, price is closing here and it's not either going higher or lower than this current price.
Really?
Which lets me know that there's a strong...
If his trading strategy is this simple, he can just do this on any time frame and just live stream it. Like, I mean, actually, when's the last time he did a live stream? Let me double check. Who caught his last live stream? You know, non-vlogging. Let me see. Videos, home videos playlist. I don't see community or... Oh, he doesn't live stream. Weird. I wonder why. But when he says, hey guys, I'm building my community, you know, his Discord, I'm already going to be part of that to see exactly what he's doing. So the next couple videos on Sci won't be just me on his YouTube channel. I'm going to be talking about what he's doing on his inside. And if he sees this video, I hope he does. You know why? To help him be honest. Because the shit that they're doing, guys, the stuff that they're doing is all...
Stop the cap.
And he's always...
You are a scammer.
amount of either buyers or sellers in that position or in that area that's telling price to either push up or push down. So in this case, I see that price came all the way down to this level, but buyers pushed price back up and ended up closing at this level. So I know buyers are sitting at this level. And that is why I choose to use the body closes. I know a lot of people that choose the wicks too, which is good too, because it's still signifying the same thing that we already seen. It's just a different way that, because there's...
Is this going to be like a basic video on technical analysis and not him implementing any trades? Because the market's closed and he's on US 100. Okay, so, okay.
Sometimes where price wicks all the way out, and I typically don't like marking those because if price pushes all the way down here, I don't need to know that this is a level of support for all the way down here when I already have this body close right here. I see price reject at this level. Okay, calm, cool. So that is how I use the body closes. That's how I mark up the charts.
So
either
support and
highs or lows.
resistance.
So if I see prices at a level where, okay, I see the nearest thing next
Support,
to it
resistance,
is a low,
catch a
then I'm
trend.
gonna start focusing down on this low and seeing what can I do from this level. What can happen? Okay, I think price could break under this level and continue for more, or it can bounce off this level, start creating higher highs, and then making a full reversal.
What the hell was that?
Back up to the upside. So these are two common things, two simple things that I do to make trading a little bit easier. I normally trade off the 1 hour time frame, and I normally have
this guy here. We got some other things coming in. Sauce plus blockchain tracks all anyways, so hard to fake. But I've seen it done on various swaps. Woo, man. We got. Luckily, I'm not talking about crypto right now.
I have my sessions on. So sessions is basically showing you the volume throughout the session. basically. Blue is basically the best time to trade. So for NASDAQ, it's definitely going to be 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, all the way to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, EST. And these are the best times to...
Did you just say it's the best time to trade? All it did was just show the timing for the session. They're all equal. Let me see. Is this a weekend? Or off? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. It's the same. What is he talking about?
To trade. So these are the times that I'm looking for the market to move.
We got Dixie Normus. Oh my god, did you just get me to say that? Oh my gosh.
Hey! Shut up!
So Dixie, and I can say your last name, is Q Banks Scammer. He is a massive...
Scamming everybody now.
There's some days where price won't move, but as you can see, NASDAQ is really good when it comes to making some movements that we can catch throughout this challenge. So this is going to be what I'm going to be focused on throughout this whole challenge, is trying to trade in session and just going about my day, showing you like, hey, I'm gonna wake up at this time, I'm gonna get on the charts at this time, mark up, and look for my entries at a certain time.
Okay.
I think these are very crucial things that I need to show you guys, because a lot of people
Stop
are
the cap.
confused on what it actually looks like when it comes.
And it actually looks like, I hope he hits that live button and be like, hey guys, I'm live streaming this. You can see my entries, you can see my exits, you can see it all, because you know I'm doing this live, and I'm gonna show up with my P&L on a fake broker. Really?
To be becoming successful at trading, some people don't know what that looks like. So I think this challenge is going to be...
James Pommet, check out my next live stream in a few minutes. I will be breaking down the connection and why these brokers are popping up. Best way I'm going to put it as.
Very, very beneficial for a lot of people. And I can't wait to get started. I'm so sad that I couldn't have the vlog.
You're so sad.
Posted up, because it was a decent vlog. But if anybody has any questions,
so sad,
want me to go over anything, just make sure you comment down below, or you can comment in the Discord and just let me know what you think. Give me your thoughts, or give me any questions that you have. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next vlog, or I'll see you
the next vlog. And I hope it's not going to be him in his car, him talking about his jewelry, him showing off. We got Anita Dinamri. Sway has merged with Liquid. We got a lot to talk about on the next stream. But guys, I wanted to break down this to show you what Sci of the Trades doing, because I haven't made an update in some time, and also connected to the next video, which you guys will see in a few minutes. But this to me is all...
Stop the cap.
And you know it's going to be him.
That is one big pile of shit.
It's going to be the same stuff. Him talking about, I mean, unless he's going to live stream this, I hope he does. Live streams it, shows it live, shows with the P&L with a verified broker that doesn't have an expired license. Weird. But we're going to get into that, guys, because to me, it just blows my mind that a lot of people are going to eat this up, nom, 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 and click the link below. Here we go. Let's click the link below. Oh, Liquid Brokers with his affiliate code. Wonder why. Let's see what people say. I don't understand almost any of this, but there is a man telling me that he can teach me how to make $1,000 and turn it into $1 million while not asking me to spend a dime. I'm all in. The diamond money's made because the link right here. And also off of YouTube. Check his last video. He made a video talking about million day trader small talk. He made I'm sorry, right here. This video here talks about consistency. He needs more money. Be wasting money on his course, man. This stuff to me, it's like the classic sign of the scammer. He can get people to buy into the lifestyle, think he's honest because he's showing off the broker. Man, oh man, people are being fooled. Man, we're all gonna be... Where's that clip at? Oh man.
What the hell was that?
What is it?
I know, it's embarrassing, but I simply can't help myself.
He just can't help himself, man. He just can't help himself trying to make more money. Why? He needs to make more money. Oh my gosh. These guys. But yeah, guys, let me know what you have, who you guys want me to add to this, add to the list. I thought this video will be very helpful to you guys and understanding my methodology and the way I think when it comes to exposing them. I already made another video about him, and it's here right here. I made this 4 months ago. So 4 months ago, I made this video about Sci with Trades, or Trades by Sci, whatever we want to put it as, and we see the day in the life. Remember, this is the old list, the updated list. He would have got a full check mark across the board, except for a few of the bonus stack, price ends in a 7, and heavily discounted products. But when we look at it, and look, no live trading. Check. Selling a lifestyle. Oh, pretty obvious so far. Yeah. Hey, his videos are different. Weird. Maybe he's deleting them. Social proof. That's pretty obvious. No long-term broker statements. Woo! Wonder why. Ridiculous claims all day. Let's see. Three simple steps to make $1,000 a day trading Forex. Let's see if that's like a real big YouTube thing. Let me see. We'll look that up on YouTube. $1,000 a day trading Forex. Let's see. Let's see who pops up. I wonder who pops up. Sci Trades, Mamba FX. Oh, I wonder who's like FX Alex G. Oh, Jasmine FX. Oh my gosh. Who's it? What? I cracked the code. Kelly OG. Oh,
Stop the cap.
Oh my god.
Stop the cap.
We are gonna be rich.
Think about it. This guy got sued for having a Ponzi scheme. No, not Ponzi scheme. A fake, what is it? He got sued by the FTC, I believe, for a few $1,000,000 for basically scamming people with his courses. Day trading, Juviar gyms. Why is it? I mean, it's probably because I researched this guy's why they're popping up. Actually, if I went on to like a, incognito maybe. But it's just funny that these guys pop up. You can't make this stuff up, man. These guys are just doing what they can to get a bag and escape. I already have to be taught a course for 3 months into learning how to trade. Don't want to dive into all that, guys, but just want to show you guys that I already exposed Sci Trades. I'm making an updated journey about what he's doing so you guys can be updated and see all the cap.
Stop the cap.
But that's the video, guys. Please join the Discord. It will be in the first link, or join the Telegram for where you're at, and we can talk there. I'm getting the next live stream ready. Jump on that, and I'm going to show you something that you've never seen before on here on YouTube when people expose people, okay? See you later, guys, and peace. Give me a second. In stream. Yep.